Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're doing my kind of like part of my nighttime routine, skincare routine. So if you want to see what I've been using for 3 weeks now, just keep on watching. Start Lovelies, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, reviews, line up products, spoiler of subscription boxes. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed Lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. Before I start Lovelies, you can see I'm in my pajama right now, and I'm really sorry for the lighting if it's a poor one, but I'm using the ring light because it's dark outside. It's like 9 o'clock in the evening. And yes, before I start also Lovelies, this item that I will show you was kindly sent to me from Stylevana. So Stylevana is a beauty site, and I will pop in here their site, and send Korean beauty products from skincare to makeup. And they have Tony Moly, Innisfree, Misha, and loads more. So if you're curious to try Korean items, in the description box below. And also Lovelies, they also kindly give 10% off if you use site-wide. So I will pop in here the code, which is itsmejayca, I think. But yeah, I will pop in here or in the description box below. When they contacted me, I was really happy because if you follow me for a while, you know my love for Korean skincare products, from their cute packaging and from their innovative ingredients. We'll put a little note, Lovelies. There was a moment also that I've been using only Korean skincare because I was really curious to try them, and I really do love them because, as you know, before it wasn't really easy to buy Korean products before. I was glad that I discovered Stylevana, that they sell Korean products. So these items, they came 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I think 3 weeks ago. And this product, they came with this box here. I will cover my address, and it's a Stylevana here. And also they are really wrapped properly with this big bubble wrap, and inside there was all the products. Let's start, Lovelies. So these 5 products, as I said, I received them 3 weeks ago, and I've been using them, every single product except for one, but I tried that before, so I can do my review also with that product. But yes, this product, I've been using it every single day. One product I've been using morning and evening, and other products I've been using only at night time. So yes, so the first product that I use, that I show you the clip in here. So here we go. Hi guys, so I'm on my bathroom right now, so I'm really sorry if the lighting is not really nice, it's not really good. Try this one, which is the HEIMISH All Clean Balm. So we'll try this one on. Let me put my hair up, and then we'll start. And let's wash my hands first before we start. This product, Lovelies, inside we have the spatula, which is thumbs up, and then we have the product. And yeah, as you can see, it's all balmy, but once you apply it, Lovelies, and then massage it on your face, it will become like an oil cleanser. So yes, so let's apply this one. I usually use 2 scoop like this all over my face, and I just wash the spatula. I wash it every time I use it. Then I just go with the circular motion, as I said. So this makeup, Lovelies, that I have on my face, I had it since 6 o'clock in the morning, and it's 8 o'clock in the evening, so it's been quite a lot. And then forehead, my eyebrows, and for last, I always do my eyes. I have waterproof mascara, waterproof eyeliner on my waterline. Here we go, and I have a bit of eyeshadow too this morning. As you can see, lovely. It's like oily one. Cleanser. So with face loss, I just wet with the lukewarm water, and I just need to massage it all over my face. Not too harsh. Just gentle on my eyes. You can see, lovelies. I don't know if you can see it. Here we go. It took off my waterproof mascara. Then here we go, lovelies. As you can see, it took off all on my makeup, and now I'm doing my cleansing one. So yeah, in that video I used this one, the All Clean Balm from HEIMIsh. I hope I pronounce it properly. Really cute packaging. This is the inside packaging, lovelies. The outside one is this one here, and inside, if I didn't show in the video, I don't remember, we have the spatula, which is really a thumbs up, and we have the product here, 120 ml, lovelies, and it costs £11.99. I'm really sorry if I look down, but I have my note here because I don't remember the price, but I will put everything in the description box below. As I said in that video, that this one has a balm texture, but once you applied it, it become like an oil cleanser one. As I said before, lovelies, I'm not using any more micellar water because I'm doing double cleansing, because I found double cleansing, it's much easy to do it with my laziness at night, because I'm just doing take off my makeup with a balm and then wash my face. And this one, lovelies, I'm using with the face cloth. After I apply this one, I just use the face cloth all over my face, and then cleansing one. I think this is perfect for sensitive skin because I have sensitive eyes, lovelies, and I just rub on my eyes without burning my eyes. It's not really harsh on my eyes, so I really do like it. The texture, lovelies, if you use before Emma Hardy one, it's the same texture. And as I said also in that video, that it takes waterproof makeup, which is really a thumbs up. Waterproof mascara, it take off easily. And also, after I use this one, lovelies, my skin doesn't feel tight or dry, which is thumbs up, because some of the balm that I use, after I using them, to moisturize immediately because I feel my skin very tight and dry. So yes, this is really a thumbs up. I really do like it. And let's see the ingredient, thumbs up. I'm not an expert in ingredients, but I did my research. Citrus herb, fruit, citrus herb like orange, grapefruit. We have also like lavender, and we have also some flower in here. Yes, daffodil, jasmine, coconut. We have lime also. So yes, really a nice product, which is a thumbs up. Definitely when I finish this one, I will repurchase it for $11.99 with the products inside. I think it's really worth it. And now, lovelies, let's apply. After I cleanse my face, I always apply my toner, and let's apply this one, ISNTREE Green Tea Fresh Toner. So this is the product. As you can see, I use this every morning and every night. Found this product, I like more applying it with the cotton wool one. I know I've not been using cotton wool for a while now. I know some of you lovelies use toner with your hands. I think we apply them differently. You can apply whatever you want, in my opinion. As you can see, it's like brownish color. It reminds me of the product you use when you hurt to clean your wound. I just apply it all over my face. The smell, lovelies, it doesn't have perfume. It smells like green tea. You can smell the green tea in it. I'll be honest, it's not really my favorite scent, but yeah, it smells like organic green tea one. but yeah, oh, it feels nice now. My face feels really nice. I just apply my lip balm. So this green, as I said, I've been using this one morning and evening. This is the packaging, but in the outside packaging is this one here, lovelies. And this one here, and it says contains jeju green tea extract and anti-sebum ingredient which to help soothe skin and control excess sebum for skin type. Definitely it hydrates my skin, lovelies. It feels, after I use this one, as you can see, it feels, I'm not using any lightning, but only the ring light because the light outside it's dark. But as you can see, lovelies, after I use it, it feels, my skin feels really soft and smooth. I really like this one. It has 200 ml and the full price is £16.99, which is not bad considering the products inside. It's loads of product. After I tone my skin, my face, I usually use essence. This one I use only at night. To be honest, lovelies, this is the first time that I've been using an essence, and I really do like it. This essence from SECRETKEY, it's really nice. So this one is the inside packaging. The outer packaging is this one here, really fancy, as you can see. And this one, it's retail full. It has 150 ml. It's retail for full price is £22.81, but now it costs only £15.99. And usually apply it with my fingers. I just pop a bit of it on my hands and then rub it, and then look at that. Just do my circular motion like as always. I apply this product like this, and I've been applying it like before. I put more, and yeah, oh, it feels really nice. This one, it has rose water, but doesn't have that strong smell, to be honest. It has a bit of smell of rose water, but it's not really that strong. After I use this one too, lovelies, my skin feels soft, supple, radiant, and smooth. So here we go. And then after that, lovelies, after I use my essence, as you can see, I pop also on my hands. And after I use the essence, serum one, which is the UNIK Black Snail Restore Serum. This is the product. I hope you can see it. And this one is like a slimy texture. When I first started using this one, I was like, oh, what's this feeling? But slimy serum, the product, and in the outer packaging is this one here. It's all in Korean here, lovelies, but it also says in English. Yes, it has the how do you call this one? It's not the pump, but I used 3 to 4 drops, and then just like that, and then did you see that, lovelies? It's like slimy one. So this one, lovelies, it has this is an anti-aging serum. It has the black snail extract, which is good to improve the skin elasticity, and also it have the centella extract, which is good to smooth your wrinkles, your scars. On the ingredient, it has mistletoe and soybean extract, which is good to repair and moisture your skin. And yes, after I use this one, as you can see, lovely, it's quite sticky, but I feel like after I use essence and this serum, my skin, it brightens. And also night cream that I use or day cream that I use, it sink on my skin after I use them. So yes, here we go. As you can see, it's really a nice product. And then use my eye cream. As always, I always use eye cream day or night. And the last product they sent me, no, the last 2 products they sent me is this from BIORE. This is the Aqua Rich Watery Essence SPF 50+. I used this one before. I bought it in the Philippines before, and I love this product. I'm really glad that they sent me. This is a waterproof. As you know, sunscreen, it can be like sticky, heavy, but this one, lovely, it's really a lightweight one, and it's not sticky at all. It has the hyaluronic acid, which is good for moisturize too, for hydrating. It's really comfortable on the skin. You can apply it throughout the day too, on the top of your makeup if you want to. And also, lovely, this one you can use it as a primer. So I really love this product. I'm really glad that they sent me this one. So this one, it has 50 grams. It costs £12.49. Now it's in offer for £9.99. And the last product that they sent me, but I didn't try it yet because I'm using another product for my mask. But they sent me this hyaluronic acid essence mask, and this is for hydrating, soothing, and vitalizing from the brand Pure Derm. I never tried product from this brand. I think I never tried product from this brand before, so I'm really glad. I only tried Holika, Misha. I only tried those famous brand, but I never tried this product before, except for the BIORE one. But all other brand, I never tried products, so I'm really glad that I tried them. So yeah, this is the last product. Definitely will use this one this week, and yeah, we will see. You see me my review on my Instagram. I will just pop in here. So that's all, lovelies. That's all for my Stylevana try on review. I want to say thank you again, Stylevana, for sending me this product. I really enjoy using them. I love this. Did you tried Korean products before, Korean skincare makeup before? Let me know in the comment below. I'm really curious. And also, lovely, let me know if you enjoyed this kind of video. If you want me to do more, let me know in the comment below. If you do like this video, make sure to leave the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.